Hello friends, welcome to Live Here Do Mathematics. Today we are going to solve a problem from Esquema-Page Higher Algebra, and this is a classical algebra problem. The theory of equations is the chapter and page number 260 and exercise 5e. The problem says solve the reciprocal equation x to the power 4 minus 4x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus 1 equals to 0. Okay. Now look, so this is a reciprocal equation. Okay, so the coefficient of x to the power 4 is 1. The coefficient of equidistant terms from the beginning of the equation and the end of the equation are same. Look, here is 1 and here is 1. Here is minus 4 and here is minus 4. Okay, so the coefficient of equidistant terms from both beginning and end of the equation are same. So this is a reciprocal equation. Okay, now this equation can be written as, look, x to the power 4 plus 1 minus 4x into, if we take 4x common from minus 4x cube and minus 4x, then we will have minus 4x into x square plus 1, okay, plus 3x square equals to 0. Now divide the equation by x square, then we will have x to the power 4, if we divide by x square, it will be x square plus 1 over x square. If we divide this term by x square, then we will have minus 4 times x plus 1 over x, and this will become plus 3 equals to 0. So we have divided the whole equation by x square. Now look, we have this equation. Okay, now let x plus 1 over x equals to z. Okay, then x square plus 1 over x square can be written as x. So this can be written as plus 1 over x whole square minus 2. Look, this can be written as, so a square plus b square can be written as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So here a is x and 1 over x, so these two will cancel out, x and x. So x plus 1 over x is z, so this becomes z square minus 2. Okay, so now in place of x square plus 1 over x square, root z square minus 2, and in place of x plus 1 over x, root z. So from this we get z square minus 2 minus 4 into z plus 3 equals to 0. Okay, so now simplify this. From here we will have z square minus 4z minus 2 plus 3 will be plus 1 is to 0. So by Sridharacharya law, z equals to minus b, that is minus of minus 4 means plus 4, plus minus root b square, that is minus 4 square, that is 16, minus 4 ac, a is 1 and c is 1 by twice a, that is 2 into 1. So then we will have, this is 4 plus minus root 16 minus 4 is root 12 by 2. Okay, so 4 plus minus root 12 can be written as 2 root 3 by 2. So we have 2 plus minus root 3. Okay, after dividing by 2. So 2 plus minus root 3. So z equals to 2 plus root 3 and z equals to 2 minus root 3. So when z equals to 2 plus root 3, then we have z is x plus 1 over x. We have already assumed that x plus 1 over x equals to z. So in place of z plus x plus 1 over x, then we have this equals to 2 plus root 3. So x square plus 1 equals to 2 plus root 3 into x. Okay, so x square minus 2 plus root 3 into x plus 1 equals to 0. So again by Sridharacharya law, x equals to, so minus b, that is minus of minus 2 plus root 3, so it will be plus 2 plus root 3 plus minus root b square, that is 2 plus root 3 2 plus root 3 whole square minus 4 times a and c, a is 1 and c is again 1, so this will be 4 by twice into 1, 1 into 1, 2a. Okay, then look, this is 2 plus root 3. Okay, now look, plus minus root, what is here, we have a square, a plus b square, that is a square means 4 plus 2ab, 4 root 3 plus 3, okay, minus 4 by 2. Now minus 4 plus 4 cancel out, okay, so we have 2 plus root 3 plus minus, so minus 4 and plus 4 cancel out, so we have 4 root 3 plus 3, root 3 plus 4 root 3, okay, by 2. So these are the two values of x we have got. But the given equation was a degree 4 equation, so it has 4 roots. So out of 4 roots we have got 2 roots here, taking z equals to 2 plus root 3. But here another value of z is available, so z is 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. So now you should take z equals to 2 minus root 3. Now again put z equals to x plus 1 over x, that is equal to 2 minus root 3, and do the calculation similarly as before, like this. Just imitate the arguments, okay. Then you will get the other 2 roots as I am just giving you the solution answer. So the other 2 roots will be 2 minus root 3 plus minus root 3 minus 4 root 3 by 2. So here are 2 roots and we have already got 2 roots here, so these are the, in total these are the 4 roots. So thank you friends for watching the video. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share the video with your friends, and please like our Facebook page and join our WhatsApp discussion group. The link will be given in the video description. Please subscribe the channel. Thanks.